Fuck, I've got some random shit going on in front of me here. Fuck me dead. Vanderland Drive. Two dudes about to try and kill each other. They don't know whether to hug each other or kill each other. The passenger side door's fallen off the car and it's got a broken windscreen as well. And the cops have arrived. And they're off and racing. They've taken off. It's all happening.
A few moments later.
In Leanya, the male there, about in his mid-30s, I believe, received a number of injuries to his shoulder as a result of the seatbelt, I believe. Not too serious, but did require paramedics to transport him up to the Royal Hospital, where he's been looked after at the moment.